Do we need extra coaching to prepare for USMLE, or can we prepare on our own?
Yeah, actually, you can prepare on your own. Like from most of the friends, my friends, myself, from all the people that I've seen, I've met on Telegram, I've met on Reddit, I've met on WhatsApp. All those people, whoever I met, everybody has been doing self coaching, because the thing is that the resources which we have to study, it's actually what to say, it's more it's self sufficient, like it's self explanatory. The resources are well written in such a way, and be it boards and beyond, or be it UWorld, or be it first aid, it's actually more than like it's self-explanatory, and you can understand it when you go through it. Like if you are reading it, you will definitely understand it. I don't think there is any need for any artificial help, unless and until you are sure that you need somebody for sure, then you can go for it. But otherwise, I don't think it's essential. Like you can do it by yourself, no doubt, because I've seen people, and myself, I'm an example.
Okay, okay.